What is the if you want to know what is right, you can begin with the process that can solve the problem and what is the problem facing by the people and solving them. This design thinking improves the innovation ideas and creative ideas further the every product. Design thinking is a problem-solving method. It consists of 5 stages. Empathize means understanding the what is the people and users needs and rectifying them. Second stage, clearly identifying the what is the problem and what was the facing by the people. Third stage, idea means creating a solution by creating a solution by taking number of people's ideas. Knowing the what is information about and getting a simple type of idea on it and after completing the improvements in our product and anything we want to take the feedback from the people and what is the improvements are developed. The importance of digital notepads. Digital notepads are the electronic devices which can replace the traditional method of paper and pen. This method is used to store the data and note the information in the digitally and this provides a flexible to people to write in only one place without carrying multiple books to school and working places. As we know that design thinking consists of 5 stages: empathize, define, ideate, and prototype, and testing are iterative and loop back methods. If any problem occurs in a one place, then we want to move the back and we want to update them. First, we want to know empathize state. In empathize state means it understanding the user's idea. Digital notepads can be used to write the information in it and store them in digitally. These digital notepads are make a revolution in the future. Define state. The define state is that the focusing on the problem which are facing. Digital notepads are very working as efficiently and what idea stage. In idea stage, it means taking the multiple solutions by conducting brainstorm sessions and group discussions, and then finding the one of the best answer, and then we want to proceed the what is in the idea stage. Digital notepads are easily used in the idea stage also by what is we want to improve and what can the best solutions. Prototypes prototypes means that making simple solutions for our type. This digital notepads are in developing stage. These are not at all developed, and there are some drawbacks also in these notepads. Some notepads are storage data in digitally, but some are not stored. Some have less storage capacity that are nearly up to 8 GB. We want to increase them up to more storage and in tested the final and crucial step of the design thinking. In this step, we want to know what the product is developed is sufficient or not by conducting feedbacks of the people and storing the information. Is this useful, or we want to increase any improve our any innovations in this. By collecting all feedbacks, and then we will go to before stages and benefits of using digital notepads. These digital notepads are replace the papers, and by replacing papers, the uses of consuming paper decreases. It means deforestation and forest cuttings are decreases. By digital notepads, these are electronic devices. It can be reusable and it is eco-friendly. Conclusion. As the day-to-day the innovations and ideas are increasing, we want to change our notebooks to digital notepads and reduce the pollution and increasing in the future. These are efficiently innovative tools become.
All the problem in this